Alright, to patch a tube, you're going to get your patch kit, and kits will come with a piece of sandpaper, some rubber cement, and a patch, or several patches. But I'm going to show you how to find the hole first. And the easiest way to do that is to pump it up. Get it nice and inflated. That way it's easier to find the hole. And you're going to listen or feel or do whatever you got to do to find that hole. A lot of times if I can't find the hole, I'll use my lips, because they get right down close to the tube, and I'll spin it around, and your lips are really sensitive to feeling where that air is coming from. So it's right there. Then you'll take a ballpoint pen. I like to use a ballpoint pen because it marks really good, and you're just going to draw an X on that hole, because once you deflate this tube, it's going to be hard to see that hole. So once you found the hole, you're going to want to scuff it up with that sandpaper that is provided in the patch kit. And what that does is it gives it a good rough surface for the patch to adhere to. Then you let the air out of the tube. I got that big X right where the center of the hole is, so I know that that's where the center of my patch needs to go. With these patches, you just peel them off, and that's the surface you want to put the rubber cement on. With rubber cement, you want to apply it to both surfaces, and you want to let it dry out. So we're going to apply it to the patch as well as the tire, and you let it dry for a couple minutes. Okay, now that I've let that cement dry for a couple minutes, you can feel that it's dry, and I know it kind of doesn't make sense, but that's just how rubber cement works. You'll be surprised how well this attaches. My X is kind of faded, but I know that the hole is right in the middle of, it's right in the middle of that rubber cement there, so I'll just stick that on there. But I like to take the handle of a screwdriver and really press that patch down on there. Gets on there really good, so I don't have to come back and repatch it. And that just gets the air bubbles out and gets it down on there real good. And then once that's attached, you can, if it's attached real good, you can just pull this plastic right off. If it's not attached very well, then the patch might come with it. And I saw it peel back a little bit right there. Alright, and then we're just going to put the tube back in the tire.